Back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share of how to do the thumbnail in just 1 minute. It's pretty easy, guys, to do the thumbnail. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell notification so that you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. So creating the thumbnail, guys, is pretty easy. You just need to go to the application or your Apple Store, and you just need to download the Photo or Photo text on photo and the typographies. You just need to download that application, and once it's done, then you will need to go to your screen and open it. Yeah, here you go. So when it's open, it gives you the empty screen. Yeah, there is the settings, or when you click onto the tool, it leads you to the website, and the settings, it gives you this keyboard, social, preset text or date or text style. And let's proceed to the thumbnail maker, and yeah, we're going to choose the thumbnail the plain one. So when we click that one, it gives us these empty templates, and you can modify or you can create your customized thumbnail. There is a different color that you can choose. You can also change the settings, because YouTube thumbnail, guys, it requires us 1280 by 720. So we have to customize and change the width and height 1280 to 720, and done. So here are our templates thumbnail. Here you can customize, you can write down your thumbnail or your word. There is an add item, add image, or change them, square, crop, and let's add item. So there is a lot of items here, guys, and let's choose this middle one, this one, and we can customize the color. So we can change the color to white or whatever colors. We can resize, we can make it big or small. And let's add the text. So let's write down thumbnail, how to make the thumbnail, and there is a font, preset symbols, and let's choose the font. And I don't know what font I have to choose in here, so yeah, let's choose this one, or this one. Still choosing. And yeah, you will find, let's choose this one. So done. You can drag easily by your point finger. You can drag easily. You can place from here to there. And text, guys, if there is so many style, there is a text style, stroke, and background. So stroke, you can choose this. We can even change the color and the background as well. Yeah, so the background, but for this one we're not going to put the background, because I already add items, white items for that, so we're not going to put the background. And we can easily drag this to here. It's not much, so let's change to another color. Let's go to this style again, and text. Let's try this color or this color. Yeah, I think this color suits too. I think it's fine. And after that, we can add the picture, the image. There is image here, we can easily add. And let's add this image, or after adding, we can do the resize Yeah, we can resizing. There is a size with height, so it's pretty easy and it's very convenient and it's very reliable and it's very easy to make your own thumbnail here. And we're done. So you can create. Thank you guys for watching.